Toby the turtle moved quite slow, waving at daisies as he'd go. He wore a backpack full of snacks and danced with beetles who played sax. He hummed along with buzzing bees and napped beneath willow trees. And fans said that socks that glowed willow trees ricked to me. He tiptoed past a sleepy fox with socks that glowed like candy rocks. He painted rainbows on his shell and sang with frogs beside a well. He rode a leaf down the winding stream and smiled big in every dream. At sunset, Toby snored so sweet, wrapped in vines from head to feet. He dreamed of clouds shape-shaped like toast and turtles wrapped